with Charlotte. Hi.
Oh, your face is zoomed in.
We are back to see Pepper and George. When I say we, I mean I'm going to be introducing Charlotte to Pepper and George. It's going to be so cute. Pepper has gone hyper all of a sudden. Love it. Check out the boogie. Woo! Don't blame it on the boogie. Pepper is loving life. Bless her. Oh, Pepper, yeah, it's me.
I've got the chocolate orange hot chocolate and the macaroni and cheese with bacon. It looks good. What were you waiting on?
I'm getting potato skins, mint air and hot chocolate.
Okay. These are the potato skins. What did you think of the food?
It was nice actually. Nice hot chocolate. Nice little potato.
Surprise marshmallows and the hot chocolate.
Surprise marshmallows.
My macaroni and cheese was
hot chocolate
lovely.
Works. It's a bit of a grey day, so it's warmed me up.
Yeah, where has the sun gone? Look.
Where's it gone?
So we are going to go on the new ride at Splash Lagoon, which is really cool. I was lucky enough to go on the other day actually for testing. But yeah, I wanted to introduce Charlotte to the new ride. I really love the theming. So yeah, I will try and do an on-ride sort of point of view for this one and hold on to my phone tightly.
Some fiction. For your own safety, please keep your hands, arms and legs inside the carriages at all times, and please... Okay then guys, as we pull out of the station at Paultons Park, now these fellas here can grow to about 1 metre in height.
We're going into the darkness.
Lions, tigers, and bears.
It's quite pretty.
Okay then folks, as we leave the woods, over to the driver's right hand side we have the bridge, which will take you across to the Tyrannosaurus Rex pens. Or was it pelicans? It might have been pelicans.
It's shop time. So I'm thinking of getting this Paultons bear so that I can take on the cruise with me. Just, you know, something to snuggle up to and remember my time at Paultons, although I am hoping to come back, hopefully.
What did you think of Paultons today?
It was really fun. We made it back in one piece. We lived.
I don't know why we wouldn't. Why wouldn't we?
I don't know. because the rides are scary. No, they're not. They're just really fun.
I got dragged onto Storm Chaser and I don't like that one.
I went on Magma. I didn't like that one, but we did
Very
it.
true. Storm Chaser did not spin as much as it normally does, so I'm very happy about that.
I got peed on by a child.
So we were waiting for Buffalo Falls.
Yes.
And there was a incident.
Child. Man's arm. Oh no! She said it would get wet on that ride. She said no.
Technically, she didn't get wet on the ride. She got wet prior to the ride.
I was definitely in the splash zone. Not the right kind of splash.
Trying not to laugh. No, that poor child. But also
dad.
poor Charlotte, because that's not something you want.
No.
Anyway, what was your favourite ride?
Oh, I liked I was going to say Velociraptor. That's not one. Cobra. That's what I was going for.
I thought you were going Velociraptor.
No, Cobra.
No, Cobra. We like Cobra. Yeah.
And I liked Storm Chaser, even though I know it's not your favourite.
It was better this time. I didn't spend that much. But yeah. So, all in all, good day. Yeah. Okay.